Hello, if you are interested in knowing how to braid this star design, keep watching. I will also be illustrating on a paper so that you can see very clearly. First of all, I am going to section off this V shape, and then after that I am going to make a second section so that I will be able to braid. So this is the right hand side, this is me braiding it down. So this is the section and this is me braiding it down. So subsequently you're going to see, I will show you on paper what I am about to do, and then I will go ahead and do it on my mannequin head so that it is very clear. If you're confused, just watch the video twice, but if it's your thing, you're going to get it. Second section, and then I am going to braid to complete a V shape. Okay, so on paper, now on the hair, you can see the V shape. Now I am going to make the second section so that I can braid it as indicated in the drawing. So this is me braiding it. When I am done, I am going to make small triangle shapes on the two ends of letter V. Some things you should have in mind is on each section of the letter V, I am going to assume the size of 1/3 of the whole line. That's going to be the size of the triangle. So you will see me showing that on paper. So this is the full length. I am going to imaginary cut it into 3 sections and make the triangle in the middle part. This is so that the 5 pointy ends of your star are going to be equal. So I am going to do this on this side. I have imagined 3 sections. In the middle one, I am going to make the triangle. So just keep following this way. I don't want to confuse you, but I believe if you watch the drawing and then watch the sectioning and braiding as I do it, it is going to be clear. And let me let you watch from here. Leave a thumbs up if you like the tutorial. Thank you. Enjoy.